All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Beautiful sunny day here in Ontario, Canada. Camping season is around the corner for a lot of you. So today I'm going to share with you 3 of the camping chairs that we have, from my oldest and probably cheapest to the newest one that I have, and somewhere in between. Recently, I've been doing a lot of camping gear videos. I haven't had a chance to get out to do some camping adventures just with schedule. I do this as a hobby on my days off and just schedule life, you know how it goes. There is an endless number of brands, styles, colors, price points. It's endless what you can get. I'm just gonna show you 3 different ones that we have, and then maybe it'll be something that you're interested in. I'm sure that most of you either have a chair like this, or you've seen a chair like this. This particular chair is the classic folding camp chair. This is what you're gonna see probably more often than any other style at the campground, and that's just your classic folding camp chair. This particular one is made by Outbound. You can find them at like Canadian Tire and Walmart and your hardware stores, sports stores. This is probably the best price point for all of these chairs. This chair you can typically get for $20 or less. This is 36 inches tall, okay? The weight of this chair is about 5 pounds. The weight capacity for this chair is 225 pounds. You guys have all seen these chairs, right? Not too bad. It's got one little cup holder. Some of them, they have 2 cup holders. It's not a high back, so there is no headrest for this one, but this is typically what you see. The problem that I found with these, and because they are less expensive, a lot of times the fabric or the rivets pop, the arm sleeve comes off, and the corner where you sit right here, this starts to tear. And these are not very comfortable because of the frame, how the frame is an X going underneath. I find that it really squishes your legs together, and you, after sitting for a period of time on here, you can really feel where the frame goes underneath. So it's not that comfortable unless you sit maybe sideways. I don't know. Not the most comfortable chair, to be honest with you. That's the most common camp chair that you're gonna see probably out there. We're gonna take a look at this one. I've had this chair for a couple of years now. We have a couple of these. I got this chair at Costco for $45. Let's take a look at this chair. This is a headrest. We'll put that on shortly. There's your little carrying case. It's nice that it's got some mesh, so if it gets covered in sand or it's wet, then it can breathe and you can shake it out, get the sand out of there. So there's your actual chair. There's the brand. This one is made by Cascade Mountain Tech. I also have one of their compact folding little side tables as well. You can get these on Amazon, and this one was $45. Here is the legs, or the frame. This style of collapsible or folding camp chair is becoming very, very popular. It's got a little Velcro strap here to hold it together, and it basically works the same way as your tent poles. So it has an elastic that keeps all of these together, and you basically just pop these all into place. There you go. On the back side, it's got 2 little pockets. All you're gonna do is just slide the back in. The corner has a little pocket here. It does have this little tab that you can use to pull. So you get 3 of them on. Sometimes the 4th one can be a little bit difficult, and what I find helps is if you just put it sideways and you can push the pole down and then slide the loop over, and then there is our chair. This chair is a high back. It does have this little cushion that you can put on here. You can adjust that. Okay, now we're talking. Comfort level just went way up. You do have the headrest you can adjust, or you can just take it off, and you can actually rest your head on here. This one also has a cup holder on the side, and there you go. And the nice thing with this is the back is mesh, so it doesn't get as hot when you're sitting, so that will allow it to breathe. And this is a very comfortable chair. The weight capacity for this particular chair is 250 pounds. It weighs just under 5 pounds. So 4.5 pounds is the weight of this chair. You can tell the difference when you're sitting in this. The way the frame works, it's not pinching your legs. It's not pushing your legs in together. And we've sat around the campfire for hours in these chairs. Really comfortable. This one is made by Naturehike, and I did order this on Amazon, and this one retails for $60 Canadian. This is less than half the length of our old style big bulky camping chair. It's got a very good quality Cordura bag that it comes in. It does have a carrying loop on either side. It doesn't have the full size strap to put over your shoulder if you wanted to. And they even have YKK zippers on here. They did put the instructions on the inside of how to assemble this chair, which is nice. This chair works the same as this one. So we've got our bundle of our framing, and same thing. You just pop these all in. They're all held together with elastic, just like your tent poles. And there we go. There is our frame. It's reinforced here in the middle, so you got the 2 bars right here. Just slide on the back first. Put it on one of the corners. And I found this one, you really have to pull this in to get the corner on, but that's what makes it nice and snug. This one is half the weight, and it's also not a high back, and it's a lot smaller when it's packed up. Clear winner. They have made this one, the bucket part, the seat, a little bit wider. I think they said about 5 centimeters wider than the average other chair. And you can't even feel the framing whatsoever. It has a bit of a recline to it. And let me tell you, comfortable. It does not have a cup holder. Doesn't really matter to me. I mean, close enough to the ground. There you go. So this one is the Naturehike. It does also have mesh on the sides for a little bit of breathability and to cut down on weight. So you could fit probably about 3 of these in the space that you would with the typical tall folding camp chair. You're paying 3 times the price, but that's the compromise. This one's really comfortable as well. It does have the high back. You're quite a bit lower to the ground on this one. The Naturehike, the weight rating on this chair is 260 pounds. The weight of the chair itself is 2.5 pounds. So you can see really the difference if weight is a factor. I would bring this chair backpacking for the extra 2.5 pounds. It's not too bulky. To be able to have a comfortable spot to sit while you're out in the bush rather than just sitting on the ground or trying to find a log or something, yeah, that's worth it for me. Or if you're canoe camping and size and weight of your gear is really a factor. The feet have a little cap that is removable. I just leave them on, and I guess the point of that is if you are sitting in snow or sand, or maybe there's some mud, that it helps to keep you from sinking in as much. So there's these little removable caps if you wanted to cut down on weight or some bulk, then, but I don't really notice a big difference with the weight of it. This one, the feet, they have the little pointy end, but then you can see it's got like a bit of a disc that flares out. So yeah, it's almost about the same size as that. These ones, I mean, you can remove it, but then you've just got the end of the post. There's 3 out of the endless amount of chairs available on the market. I just wanted to show you some options if you're looking to get maybe a new chair for your camping adventures. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Start getting your gear out, because look at this weather. For a lot of you, camping season is right around the corner. All right, we'll see you in the next adventure. I will be doing another camping gadgets video. I know a lot of you are liking the basics for camping and gadgets and different gear, you know, to try to help you get out there. So I do have another camping gadgets video coming out, because I can fill a whole table full of camping stuff. All right, we'll see you in the next. Now, do we go with the high back right now, or? Oh, there we go. Take that off. Oh, look at that. This is one of the nicest days of spring yet. I'm gonna put some shorts on. That's the frame of, oops. We fell down. Can't get back up.